Hello, welcome back to my workshop. Right, today a subscriber, long-time subscriber called Alvaro Kerosene from Uruguay, nice chap. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Does lots of various different paraffin / kerosene style stoves and things. Notice this, which is a hurricane lamp in the back of my videos. I bought this for £2 at the car boot sale. I'm going to show this one and also compare it to this. This is a Tilley lamp. It's an X246B, something like that. Made from 1946, still made today, and you can buy it brand new, and they're service kits. Show you how to light that as well. Right, so this is quite straightforward. I have actually fired this up once before. Decided that I didn't like the way that video turned out, so I'm doing this again. Unfortunately, this one weeps a little from this down here, so I'm not going to leave this filled up. I will put some paraffin in there and we will light this up. Quite straightforward, and this is a very cheaply built hurricane lamp. Let's put that out of the way. Put that on, and all you do, if you light one up for the first time, you'll want to let it sit probably about 10 minutes or more to get paraffin into the wick. Hopefully that wick has paraffin in it, and you just pull that up like that. Drop that right down when you have it on, slide it in like that. Flamey thing in there. And if it's got enough paraffin on there, it should light. There we go. And off we go with the flame. And the more that is up, the sootier it gets. Let me show you how. Turn the light off and see how that looks. Which is not very bright at all. Does have a handle on it. If you've got a hook on the ceiling, you can hang it up there, and as you can see, because I'm looking straight in the camera, you can't see much, so it's not that effective a light. It's okay. Let me just try turning that up a bit. Where is that control? You can turn it up a bit, still can't see much. Around here and turn the light back on and take that down. That is with quite a sooty flame. More realistically, you'd probably want to run it like that. Having said that, despite the fact that it's a bit of an old-fashioned form of lamp, they are reasonably effective. These ones are much better. I do like the Tilley lamp. What you want to do, that is your pump, it's also your filler. This pumps, well, the pump doesn't squeak, the valve squeaks. That's where you fill with fuel. And if you don't have that tight all the way down, that's also your pressure relief. You have a valve here, full on or off. If you turn it full on with the pressure relief, what that'll do is that'll prick the jet. So we prick the jet, we have that valve off, and you get a nice little jar from Tilley. You can have meths in. I can get the top off, there we go. You have something called a Tilley torch, which you just stuff around there. Close this jar. You do not want to get fire into the jar. Put the jar out the way. Light that torch. Just leave that for quite a few minutes until it starts burning down to preheat that tube. With this valve off, you can pump this up a bit. That is not the pump, that is the one-way valve that to do that squeaking. I have put oil on the pump. And now we'll fast forward until I'm ready to turn it on. And there you go. Do not put that back in the mess while it's hot. And we'll just turn the light off so you can see how bright it is. It is much brighter than a hurricane lamp, and we'll hang it up here. And you can see that although it's not as good as the lamps on the ceiling, that is much brighter. You can see, you can even see my face in there, look. Obviously the camera is compensating for the lower light levels as well. It's not too hot above the lamp, but it also does kick out quite a lot of heat. That's really not a bad little lamp, really. Although obviously I get a look a bit better. Well, when I say look a bit better, perhaps if I wasn't in the picture that would be even better still. Obviously you get to see there's a big shadow underneath it, so you can see my face better when I'm stood this side of the lamp. But that there is the Tilley lamp, and that's really not too bad actually. Now I've figured out where where the hook I put is on the ceiling. Let me just take that down. Actually, you do have to watch out when this has been hanging up for a while. That handle does start to get quite hot. Just take that down. So there you go, Tilley lamp versus a hurricane lamp. Thought I'd show you those two because Alvaro did ask to see that hurricane lamp. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will be doing a service on the other two I've got of these. I got given 3. So they will be getting a service. Yes. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. particularly sharing. Subscribing's free.